Good morning, beautiful people. I hope you all had a great weekend. You all have things to do, so I'm going to make it short and sweet. Let's begin.
Let us begin.
Attention all landlords, mark your calendar for an electrifying event. HUD is hosting the Colorado Springs Landlord Engagement Event on April 30th from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. at the Colorado Springs City Administration Building. And guess what? It's absolutely free. There will be dynamic discussions on key topics such as reducing turnover, tenant support, and lucrative landlord incentives. Trust us, you won't want to miss a moment of this. Registration is required, but don't worry, we've got the link for you right below for your convenience.
Thanks for always looking out for me.
Hey Realtors, does your seller want to participate in the open house weekend event on May 4th and 5th?
How'd you know that?
Did you know you can schedule it now?
Now I know.
Schedule the open house on the 4th or the 5th, and it will automatically show as a participating open house on the public site. Have you seen advertising on social media and/or YouTube?
That was you?
Expect more advertising on streaming and local news stations starting this week. Our goal is to have 100 participating open houses for this event. And here's the cherry on top. Visitors stand a chance to win up to $500 in a sweepstakes just by touring these open houses.
$500? Deal.
Simply have your potential buyer download the entry form, hand it over to the open house realtor, and voila, they're in the running. Find all the details in the links below.
I'm going to win.
And last but certainly not least, gear up for the GRI 106 Ethics and Professional Practices, live in class with the esteemed Liz Bowen.
She's the best.
On April 26th from 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. It's $50 for members and you will earn 4 CE credits. And yes, of course this counts towards the NAR's current ethics requirement cycle.
Yes.
Don't hesitate, click the link below to secure your spot now. Well, that's all I got for this Monday memo. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time,